Hello friends, happy to see you again on my channel Learn Python by a Practic. Today I wanna consider next task to find the next perfect square. This is a condition. You can pause a video and read this and some examples for this task. I show you my solution. Some people solve this problem in a better way, and I show you these solutions after I record my solution. Okay, first of all, we create a condition. We create a condition if str format, our format string mass sqrt sq and our last symbol character in sq equal 0 in string format. Import library mass v to our sq plus 1 and create cycle while and mass sqrt sq our last character -1 and till not equal 0 v sq plus 1 and when our sq will be last character equal 0, we stop a cycle while cycle while stop and we return our value sq. If condition not true, we return -1. So check this. It's work, and when you solve a problem you can check it. When I solve this problem I check myself in next way. I printing sqrt sq and printing to check if all right, I print condition. This is to help me solve this problem. When something don't work, you will see this and also I show for you other solutions like this or this or next one. And others. Thank you for your reviewing. If you have some questions, you can ask it in comment line and I will answer you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.